In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove yourself from Facebook page. If you no longer need to manage a page, maybe you've handed off responsibilities or you're simplifying your digital presence, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to step away. Before we begin, a quick reminder. Once you remove yourself, you'll immediately lose the ability to post, edit settings, access insights, or manage roles on that page. If you ever need access again, someone with admin permissions will have to add you back, so be sure this is what you want. First, open Facebook. Use a desktop browser or the mobile app. Either works. Make sure you're signed in with the profile that currently has access to the page. From your home screen, navigate to your page. On desktop, you'll usually find it in the left sidebar under Pages. On mobile, open the menu and select your page from the list. The key is to land on the page you want to leave. Once you're on that page, go to its settings. On desktop, look for the settings option in the left-hand menu within the page workspace. On mobile, you may see a gear icon or a settings and tools option within the page controls. You're aiming for the page's own settings, not your personal account settings, so make sure you're adjusting the right place. Inside the page's settings, locate the area that manages who has access to the page. Depending on the interface you see, it may be labeled Page Access or Page Roles. They both serve the same purpose. They display a list of people and partners who can manage the page and show what level of permission each one has, such as admin, editor, or moderator. Find your own profile in that list. Open your profile entry to reveal the available actions, then choose Remove. Facebook will show a confirmation screen letting you know that you're about to remove your access. Read the message so you understand the impact, and when you're ready, confirm the removal. After you confirm, your name will disappear from the access list, and your connection to the page's management tools will end right away. That's all there is to it. If the page still appears in your shortcuts, refresh or give it a moment. Visibility typically updates quickly. Removing yourself doesn't delete the page or change other people's roles. It only affects your own access. If you left by mistake, contact an existing admin to be added back. Thanks for watching, and take care managing your pages.